363, small block Ford. Just got done running it. Everything went great. Give you descriptions, combinations. Got AFR cylinder heads on it, Scorpion roller rockers. It's a hydraulic roller motor. We have that custom ground by Comp. Edelbrock air gap. It's EFI. Got the Sniper on there. Got the Sniper distributor, box, coil, everything plug and play. Real nice little setup. Billet Specialties front end. It's beautiful. Got your Cobra valve covers. I'm going to show you how it ran. Alrighty, down at 3400s, 440 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a piece torque 452. Just stacks a ton of 40s. Really nice and flat torque curve there. Pretty impressive. And peaks power, 6400, 489. We rated at 500. The front end's about 20, so everything's good. Get her off there, get her in a crate. Come your way. Have a great day.